Stretching and mobility, two vital components of a healthy body and mind, yet so often overlooked. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we tend to place physical wellness on the back burner. However, incorporating a simple yet effective stretching routine can drastically improve our overall fitness, flexibility, and even our mood. Stretching enhances our mobility, allowing us to move with ease and precision. It plays a crucial role in injury prevention as it keeps our muscles long, lean, and flexible. This flexibility helps us perform better, whether we're running a marathon, lifting weights, or just picking up a bag of groceries. In this video, we'll guide you through a series of stretches designed to target key areas of the body. We'll start with the neck and shoulders, then move down to the spine, hips, and legs. We'll even cover stretches for the wrists and forearms, so buckle up and prepare to stretch your way to a healthier you. Scene script. First off, we're going to tackle those tense neck and shoulders. Imagine a string pulling your head upwards to lengthen the neck. Now gently tilt your head to the right, feeling a gentle stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold this for a few breaths, then slowly return to the center. Repeat this on the other side. Next, let's shrug those shoulders, lift them high towards your ears, hold for a moment, and then release them down. You can do this a few times, feeling the tension melt away with each drop. Now, it's time for some shoulder rolls. Begin by rolling your shoulders forward in a smooth, circular motion. After a few rounds, reverse the direction, rolling them backwards. The beauty of this exercise lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It not only helps relieve the stress and tension that builds up in your neck and shoulders, but it can also improve your posture and mobility. And let's not forget, better posture can make you look more confident and feel more energetic. This neck and shoulder release is an essential part of any stretching routine. Whether you're an office worker spending long hours in front of a computer or a fitness enthusiast trying to prevent injuries, these simple movements can make a world of difference in your day-to-day life. Remember, keep your movements slow and controlled for maximum benefit. Scene script. Next up, a spine stretch to boost your posture. Let's delve into the art of spine stretching. It's a gentle exercise, but one that carries great benefits. A well-stretched spine can work wonders for your posture, and it can also alleviate back pain. But remember, we're aiming for improvement, not perfection. Imagine your spine as a flexible rod running through your body. As we stretch, we're trying to lengthen this rod, creating space between each vertebra. This is where the magic happens. As we create this space, we allow our posture to naturally improve and stand taller. The process is simple. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Now imagine a string pulling your head towards the sky. As you reach upwards, feel your spine lengthening, your back straightening. Hold this stretch for a few breaths, then return to a relaxed position. This stretch, while simple, can contribute significantly to reducing back pain. It does so by strengthening the muscles that support your spine, providing a solid base for your body. This in turn aids in maintaining a good posture throughout the day, but remember, like any exercise, consistency is key. Regular practice of this spine stretch can lead to noticeable improvements in your posture over time. So, make it a part of your daily routine, and over time, you'll see the rewards. With regular practice, you'll stand taller and feel stronger. Now, let's open up those hip flexors and quads. Moving on from the spine, we journey further down the body to a region that often bears the brunt of long hours spent in chairs: the hip flexors and quads. These muscles are critical for many of our daily movements, but they can easily become tight and restricted, leading to discomfort and limited mobility. Picture the stretch as a gentle awakening for these muscles. As you ease into the hip flexor and quad opener, imagine your muscles lengthening, creating space for improved movement and flexibility. This stretch is not just about physical relief, it's also a moment of connection between your body and mind, an invitation to inhabit your body fully and with awareness. The benefits of this stretch are numerous. It can help counteract the effects of prolonged sitting, which can lead to tightness in the hip flexors and quads. By regularly practicing this stretch, you can help to reduce discomfort, improve posture, and increase your overall mobility. Remember, it's not about pushing to the point of pain. It's about gentle, consistent effort. It's about listening to your body and finding the right balance between challenge and ease. So, whether you're a keen runner, a cyclist, or someone who spends a lot of time at a desk, this stretch can be a powerful tool in your mobility toolkit. This stretch is a game changer for those of you with desk jobs. Scene script, time to give those hamstrings some love. Let's delve into a stretch that's a true game changer for leg flexibility, the hamstring stretch. This often overlooked muscle group plays a pivotal role in our daily movements, from walking and running to bending and lifting. Start by finding a comfortable spot on the floor. Extend one leg out in front of you, while bending the other at the knee, tucking the foot into your inner thigh. Now gently lean forward from your hips, reaching toward the toes of your extended leg. Remember, it's not about touching your toes, but rather stretching the back of your leg. As you hold this stretch, you might feel a slight pull along the back of your thigh. That's your hamstring saying hello. Be sure to breathe deeply and maintain this position for around 30 seconds. Switch legs and repeat the process. Remember, each leg might have different flexibility levels, and that's perfectly normal. Practicing this stretch regularly can improve your leg flexibility, making your movements smoother and more fluid. Not to mention, it can dramatically reduce the risk of injury, especially in sports that require a lot of running or jumping. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Stretching your hamstrings can also have a calming effect on your mind. It's an opportunity to tune into your body, to listen and to learn. Consistency is key to improving flexibility, so stick with it. Next, we're targeting the calves and Achilles tendon, a crucial area often overlooked in many stretching routines. This stretch is wonderfully beneficial, particularly for those of you who love to run or walk. To begin, let's find a flat wall. Position yourself about 2 feet away from it, facing directly towards it. Extend one foot forward, keeping the other foot back. The heel of your back foot should be firmly planted on the ground with your toes pointing forward. Now gently lean into the wall, keeping your back straight. You should feel a gentle stretch in the calf of your back leg. This stretch targets the gastrocnemius muscle, the larger of the two calf muscles. It's this muscle that provides the push-off power during walking and running. By regularly stretching this muscle, you can improve your stride and reduce the risk of injury. Now let's switch things up a bit. Bend your back knee while keeping your heel on the ground. This variation targets the Achilles tendon and the soleus, the smaller, deeper calf muscle. These structures are pivotal in maintaining balance and stability during movement. Regularly stretching them can help improve your balance and prevent common injuries like Achilles tendinitis. So whether you're a seasoned runner or a casual stroller, these stretches can help keep your lower legs in top condition. Remember to hold each stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds and repeat on each side. Remember, a little stretch goes a long way in injury prevention, so keep at it and feel the difference in your flexibility and mobility. Finally, let's not forget about the wrists and forearms. These often overlooked areas are crucial for our everyday tasks, from typing on a keyboard to lifting weights. With the right exercises, we can increase our wrist and forearm flexibility, preventing injuries and improving overall mobility. First, let's start with the wrist rotation exercise. Extend your arm out in front of you, make a fist, and gently rotate your wrist in a circular motion. Do this for about 20 seconds in each direction. This exercise helps to increase the range of motion in your wrist. Next, we have the forearm flexor stretch. Extend your arm out in front of you with your palm facing up. With your other hand, gently pull your fingers back towards your body. You should feel a stretch in your forearm. Hold this for about 30 seconds and then repeat on the other side. This stretch can help to alleviate any tension in the forearm muscles. Lastly, we'll perform the forearm extensor stretch. This time, extend your arm out with your palm facing down. Using your other hand, gently pull your hand back towards your body. Again, hold this for about 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. This stretch targets the top of your forearm, improving flexibility and reducing the risk of strain. And there you have it, a comprehensive stretching routine that takes care of your entire body. So that wraps up our gentle guided stretching routine. We embarked on a journey beginning with a neck and shoulder release, moving on to a spine stretch for posture improvement. We ventured into the hip flexor and quad opener and then stretched our way into hamstring flexibility. We didn't forget our calf and Achilles tendon, and finally we ended with wrist and forearm flexibility exercises. This routine is designed to prevent injuries and enhance mobility, but remember, the key lies in consistency and proper form. Each stretch has a purpose, each movement a goal. It's not about doing it once. It's about incorporating these stretches into your daily routine, making them a part of your life. Stretching is more than just a physical exercise. It's a commitment to your health, a promise to your body. It's about nurturing your well-being, about taking a moment each day to connect with yourself. Remember, your body is your most precious asset. Take care of it and it will take care of you.